The net has indeed supplied individuals with infinite chances to be amused, be informed and first and foremost, to earn fast cash. Due to the streaming lucrative opportunities one may find online, a call for the quickest ways to do so has swamped the minds of a lot of individuals. This book provides you with the particular steps to bringing in fast bucks via the net. I'll teach you how you are able to become the boss of your own destiny as you work on your very own time and simply sit in front of your computer as you expect profits to roll in. Make money online. Positive action plan. Mighty ways to cash in on the net with a proven blueprint. In picking out a niche, see to it that you opt for one that you're interested in. As what you might have experienced, it's absolutely unhelpful to work with something that you loathe. It's rather difficult to convince customers to buy your product or service when you yourself don't have the heart to take interest in it. 7. Choose the opening move to selecting a niche that's correct for you is to consider the issues and subject matter that you're most passionate about. By being passionate about a certain matter, you'll be motivated to learn more about it, teach other people about it, and work in it on a daily basis. Among the basic issues when it bears on failure in online business efforts is that an individual selects a niche that they think other people will be interested in, but they plainly have no interest in it themselves. Prevent this downfall right from the beginning. Make certain whatever content you pick is that which you have a great interest in. While learning how to pick your niche, it's crucial to ensure that you've a great idea of your target audience. By discovering who's best suited as your audience, you'll be able to supply content that will meet the requirements that they have, and school them on items of their concern. It's equally crucial to guarantee that you're part of the audience that you're trying to draw in. This will guarantee that you cover every facet of your niche, and relate on a personal level with the other people that are in the same audience. Next, apply the use of content that's uniquely yours. Exclusive material that you write, or have composed by ghostwriters who produce professional SEO content, helps to demonstrate you as an authority in your niche. Ensure that your material can't be located anyplace else on the net. This will immediately drive traffic to your site as you'll be providing visitors something fresh and unique. There are a lot of companies out there nowadays that may offer you unparalleled content. This is the promotional purposed video for the ebook called Make Money Online Positive Action Plan. You have only seen chapter 1 and there is 7 more chapters on the book. If you like to read them all and get lots of valuable tips, feel free to click on the link below and download for free. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Select a money-making niche, choose an affiliate program, get free training, make a site or blog, write marketing methods, build your list.